divides the task and multiples the success. The purpose of celebration of the virtual Badania is to highlight our students' creative ambition and drive and to give them a chance to showcase their hard work and inspiration. Since creativity and innovation do not come in a single form or medium, our showcase highlights student work from a diverse range of genres including music, dance, visual art and more at the celebration of virtual Badania. We believe that the arts provide an essential means of gaining perspective. It is our obligation as an institution to ready our students for independent and successful living, and it is absolutely integral that the arts are recognized as an important part of this preparation process. So we cordially invite you to join us in showing appreciation and support of our artistic student population and spread the word the performing and fine arts are alive and well at Badani Navajivan Senior Secondary School. Do something today for a better tomorrow.
A very warm good morning to ladies and gentlemen to this magnificently glorious day. The galaxy of intellectuals, honorable principal, benevolent teachers, respected parents and beloved students. How lovely is this day? The scent in the air smells clearly of liberty, kindness, humanity and everything precious and beautiful. The dearest audience, hold on to your hearts because you may discover the beauty of this beautiful day as an event eventually starts blossom. Prayer is an action. It is the process of talking with God with energy in order to achieve a purpose. So let us begin this inaugural ceremony by seeking the blessing of our Lord Almighty with a prayer song. Is a symbol of brightness and prosperity as sunlight expels the darkness of night. Similarly, blessings bring happiness and prosperity in our own life. In this moment, I like to invite our principal, house animators and house captains to light the lamp.
Priceless. Do you know the reason why? Yeah, the most famous personality of Bethany is our beloved Honorable Father Dr. John Christopher OIC, who is the owner of creativity and the innovator of innovations, is getting ready to deliver his talk.
Dear students, teachers and parents, we are launching Bethania 2021 with the theme Together Towards Tomorrow. As every year, this year also we celebrate Bethania, which is the festivity of talents. We bring out the innate talents of our students and we make them public, not only just to show to the others that we have different talents, but also to recognize our students. They are capable of doing more and doing what they are, more than what they are thinking. This year's Bethania is done in a virtual forum where more than 25 events are being celebrated, and all students should participate in this Bethania with full heart, to which I request the cooperation of the parents and collaboration of our teachers and commitment of our students. Certainly, Olympics is on. We received a medal. We hope to get more. On this background, if any one of us from our school can get a gold for our country, these are the place where we establish talents, and these talents are being sprouted and nurtured, and they get reward as they represent India. Certainly, our students are capable of doing so. As we celebrate this year's Bethania, I urge all my kids, my students, to celebrate it with all sincerity, with all extravaganza. Certainly, we are celebrating it in a virtual forum, but that doesn't matter. You have already proved that even in the virtual forum, you can do wonders. Last year's Bethania is a testimony. As last year, this year also, the team of teachers under the leadership of Ms. Induja, they will be coordinating the entire program. Along with her, a sound team with talents. They are organizing and we all give our support to them, and we have a prominent animators, and all teachers are in one way or other way indirectly and directly involved in this entire Bethania. I expect your parents' cooperation as well. Although we celebrate this Bethania, we are not debarring our academic life. Our classes will go on simultaneously. Bethania also will go on. Everything is important, equally important. Not only studies, but also the other activities of our school. We must approach it in a same spirit. Therefore, I urge all of you to do the best, and your participation is most important than your winning. Therefore, my dear students, enjoy. This is your day. The days that is approaching is the days to exhibit your talents. God bless you, because God has implanted talents in you. Just bring out and flourish. You can grow together towards tomorrow. God bless you.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So I would like to welcome our house animators and captains to give me motivation.
முற்றுப்புள்ளியை கூட 3 முறை வைத்தால் தொடர்ச்சியாகிவிடும். முயற்சித்துக் கொண்டே இருந்தால் உங்கள் வாழ்க்கை மகிழ்ச்சியாகிவிடும். அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நமது பள்ளியில் எல்லா வருடமும் பெதானியா விழா சிறப்பாக கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. இதில் மாணவர்களுள் புதைந்திருக்கும் திறமைகளை வெளிக்கொண்டு வருவதே இதன் நோக்கம். இவ்வாண்டைய பெதானியா விழாவில் நான் தான் சேர்ஃபுல் சீத்தா அணியின் அனிமேட்டர் ஆர் ரதிசாலினி. சேர்ஃபுல் சீத்தா என்பது மகிழ்ச்சியான சிறுத்தை என்று பொருள். மகிழ்ச்சி என்ற சொல்லை கேட்டாலே நம் மனதுக்கு இனம் புரியாத ஓர் உணர்வு. ஆம், மகிழ்ச்சி என்ற உணர்ச்சி மட்டும் இல்லை என்றால் நமது வாழ்க்கை சுமக்க முடியாத பெரிய சுமையாகிவிடும். ஆகவே நமது சேர்ஃபுல் சீத்தா அணியில் இருக்கும் ஆசிரியர்கள், பெற்றோர்கள் மாணவர்களை உற்சாகப்படுத்தி அனைத்து போட்டிகளிலும் மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் பங்கேற்க செய்ய வேண்டும். வேட்டை என்று வந்து விட்டாலே எதிரிக்கு தான் வருகின்ற தடம் தெரியாமல் தட்டி தூக்குகின்ற வித்தை தெரிந்த ஒரே உயிரினம் சிறுத்தை தான். இச்சிறுத்தையை போன்று நமது அணியில் இருக்கும் மாணவர்கள் தங்களுக்குள் இருக்கும் திறமைகளை வெளிப்படுத்தி வெற்றி கோப்பையை தட்டி செல்வார்கள் என்பதில் எந்தவித ஐயமும் இல்லை. மாணவ செல்வங்களே, பயத்தையும் தயக்கத்தையும் தூக்கி எறியுங்கள். வெற்றி உங்கள் காலடியில். மாணவர்களே, வெற்றியை மட்டும் வரலாறு பேசுவதில்லை, அங்கே முயற்சிக்கும் ஓர் இடம் உண்டு. ஆகவே முடிந்தவரை முயற்சி செய்வோம். உங்களால் முடியும் வரை அல்ல, நீங்கள் நினைத்தது முடியும் வரை. நமது சேர்ஃபுல் சீத்தா அணியில் இருக்கும் மாணவர்களுடன் ஆசிரியர்கள், பெற்றோர்கள் இணைந்து சிறுத்தையை போன்று வருகின்ற தடமே தெரியாமல் எதிர் அணியினரை வீழ்த்தி வெற்றி வாகை சூட வேண்டும் என்று வாழ்த்து கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
A very warm good morning to all. I am E.L. Jijo, the house captain of Cheerful Cheetah, is in front of you to speak on a topic, Together Towards Tomorrow. A revolution ignited because we always knew there was a better way, and we are driven by the same passion, the same curiosity, the same goal, and not by money or fame. We forge connections with the better and best. A belief that we can bring much differences made us a part of a bigger interconnected community. We are the leaders, the creators, the champions, together towards tomorrow. Thank you.
Every day do something that will lead you to a better tomorrow. A very cheerful morning to you all. Here I want to say a message to all cheetahs. Wait, let me ask you a question. Can a laborer build a house in a single day? No, they build it day by day. Finally, build a beautiful house. Same, let us work each day. Let's make tomorrow easier by start preparing today. What happens if all our hearts stop working? Will we leave? No. Let's work like our hearts, trees and brain. Let's make tomorrow ours. It means Bethania. No matter what comes in your way, never give up. Sometimes we do fall, but arise the next second and run much faster like a cheetah. Thank you.
Fearless is not the absence of fear, but one who conquers it. Words of Mandela. As an animator, me to feel the same. I am Sindhu Sumadi, animator of Fearless Jaguar. It's my privilege to be an animator of Jaguar who are fearless. Dear Jaguars, hold your hands tight with your enjoyers and with me. Let's together start the march towards tomorrow. Moreover, my enjoyers, Mrs. Sahayarani, Mrs. Neenamul, Mrs. Hermia Mary, Mrs. Johnsirani and Mrs. Divyarega. It's a precious chance given to me be with you in the voyage to reach success. Dear Jaguars, yes, my lovely students, be ready to shine in Bethania 2021. Hold your hands tight without fear as we are fearless Jaguar. Winners of tomorrow, all the best.
A warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. It's me, K. Nishrin, captain of the house, Fearless Jaguar. Every day, your team benefits from your creativity, your hard work, your intelligence and leadership. Each team member has the responsibility to contribute equally and give your best to the team. So my dear team, remember to win. We must coordinate and communicate together and play our best, support others to do the same. Sometimes you may feel like your hard work is not appreciated. Be assured that your achievement, your hard work, your value is noticed. This is our time, this is our moment, this is our game. We all Jaguars are on a journey. Let's face it together. All the best. Thank you.
Wishing all my house members a happy day and to you all the same. I am Ashik from grade 9. Feel proud to the house captain of Fearless Jaguar. Teamwork trains us to take risk and to be brisk. I am really happy to gain and shine in the hands of wonderful animators and in charges. I am ready to hold my hands with the guiders and other with my friends right to the track to start the race. All the best friends, not only for my house members but for all. Thank you.
Work hard, dream big. Respected father, teachers and my dear kids. Happy to stand before you to address this occasion. I am Kala, animator of the house Hunting Tiger. Showering my words to get success in the upcoming endeavor. Success is the achievement accomplished after the battles and persistence. It commands hard work and persistence. So give it a fight. Be the champions. Best of luck. Together we can go towards tomorrow.
Hi friends, I am Akash. I am the house captain of Hunting Tigers. I am a good leader. I will help you in the times if you need. I will motivate you in the sorrow. I am a good role model. I will be a friendly person. If you are sad, I will make you better. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Bentayes Giflin. I am the house captain of Hunting Tiger. Talents win a game, but teamwork win a championship. By keeping this in our mind, we can do our best and win the championship. Even if we lose, we can try our best for next time. So don't worry for losing and don't give up until you win. I would like to end up my speech by saying you never become a loser until you keep trying. Thank you.
Be an victorious person. Show your fierce face. A warm welcome to you all. I am Rita, animator of the house Ferocious Panther. I am very glad to guide you and walk along with you towards tomorrow. I am very happy to have Mr. Fee, Mrs. Ajita, Mrs. Vigila, Mrs. Mabel and Mrs. Sajita Ashok are the category in charges of our house. Let us start our spiritual virtual Bethania 2021. My dears, we are the winners in this Bethania 2021. जहां रास्ता देख रहा है वहां तक चलिए, आगे का रास्ता वहां पहुंचने के बाद देखने लगेगा. Everything you do, every steps you take will shade tomorrow. So be cautious in our actions for better tomorrow. My dears, we should have the spiritual, we have the good opportunity we all get in this year. So we all together towards we can be fight and be the winner. So wishing all of you, and I am expecting all of your cooperations, my dear teachers and all the students, beloved students. Thank you one and all.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Aldrin Selvaraj, house captain of Ferocious Panthers. Individually we are one drop, together we are an ocean. Yes, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Ishananti Aram, the house captain of Ferocious Panther. You all know that our Bethania is on the way, and this time our team is together towards tomorrow. And I am pretty sure that all my Ferocious Panthers are ready to attack. And I expect all your wholehearted participation in everything. And you should never give up, never stop trying, and never stop believing. Because great things take time, but you should never be, but it makes us happy. So, I hope that all my Ferocious Panthers will be the winners this time. May success be with you always. Wishing you a good luck. Thank you.
We are going to see the competitive spirit reaching to greater heights. Happy cheers, the joy of winning and the pride of giving our best.
The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. This is the words of Aristotle. I take this opportunity to welcome all the participants of Bethania 21. Life, let me remind you, is made special by memories. I am sure Bethania 21 with the theme Together Towards Tomorrow will become for a sweet memories. This experience that you all showcase for the rest of your life. Let me wish all of you good success. At the end of the day, there will be a winner who have put in their best effort. At the same time, others to accept the failure and proud about to take the effort of this event. I congratulate and thank all the members of organizing team to take the effort a grand success of this event. Let the competition happen in the true spirit of sportsmanship. Wish you all success. God bless you.
from mind and heart, not by a word. I am feeling grateful to share my gratitude to all true hearts who work behind the scene to make this inauguration of Bethania 2021 into a grand success. Prayer to everyone. First of all, I glorify Lord Almighty for His majestic guidance towards us and guiding us each and every second to walk us towards successfully tomorrow. Let me withhold His precious opportunity to show gratitude to our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Dr. John Christopher OIC, who mold us through innovations and invoke the intelligent schemes, and he is guiding us, our students, towards a wonderful track. And this moment I am taking this as a priceless opportunity to thank our Father. Thank you, dear Father. Next in turn, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our academic mentor, Mr. Shivin Rose, who is always being with us and guiding us towards the track where we are tracing on. In this moment, I express my heartfelt gratitude to you, sir, for my sincere thanks to our Bethania in charge, Ms. Induja, and the Bethania committee members who worked hard, and because by their involvement, coordinated support and cooperation make this event into a great success. I am expecting this to the continuous of Bethania 2021. My heartfelt thanks to all of you, and they are the off-screen stars of this event. I thank each one of you. Thank you, dears, for your extreme support. Yes, it's a right opportunity to thank the on-screen stars of Bethania 2021, and it's our teachers and our students who are working hard to shine like the stars of Bethania, and our teachers who are taking the role as animators and category in charges. They are building themselves to make this event in a grand success. I would extend my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of the faculty members who are working behind this, and at the same time I am expressing my heartfelt thanks to all the students who are getting ready to involve in the competitions, and they are willing to participate to make this event in an extra, to make us walk in an extra mile. Thank you, dear Bethania competitors. Give a tough fight like a hunting tiger and ferocious in your competitions. Give a fearless fight and cheerful in all your deeds and actions. And from our team, we wishing you all the best of luck for Bethania 2021-2022. Thank you all.